welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss a chapter of class 10, that is the quadratic equation. So generally we will not explain so much about it, but we'll solve a problem. And question number is 1 of 1 and the exercise 4.2. 4.2 exercise 4.2 class 10, and this chapter is quadratic equation, and we will solve a question that is given in the textbook. Solution of quadratic equation by factorization. We have to find out the root. Now I just memorize that what is the quadratic equation. A pattern quadratic equation is there: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Generally this is a pattern of quadratic equation. We need to evaluate this equation, this type of equation, that is quadratic equation, and we have to find out the root by the method of factorization, and we will follow the method, that is factorization method. By factorization we will find out the root of this equation. So the pattern equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is exactly in the pattern of x square minus 3x minus 10 and is equal to 0. Now what is root? Root means a value of x. A value of x, after putting that value, will get the solution of this equation is equal to 0. We'll found 0. The total value of this equation will be the 0. If we put the value, that is root. If we put the root, we'll found that the equation will be 0. That's why x square minus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now let's see how to factorize. For factorization, we need to see the c, that is the real numbers. So here we found that the real number is 10. So we factorize it, that 2 5s are 10. So we need to find out by these two. The 2 and 5 is the product of 10. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. That means the 10 have two products, that is 2 and 5. Other products are there, but we need to split the 5x term, that is bx term. So we need to find out the or split the term bx by following the product of 10, and we found that the product of 10 is 2 and 5. Now see, we need minus 5x. We need minus 5x. That means 5 minus 3, if we do 5 minus 3, we will get the 2. 5 minus 2, we will get the 3. 5 minus 2, that means is equal to 3. So we can split this term to 5 and the 2. That is the product of the 10. So now we will split, just a simple method. We need to split the middle term, that is bx term, and then we can easily get the root of a equation, given equation. And now we are going to split the 5x term. The 5x term means 5 minus 2. That is 5 minus 2. Here x is there, so minus 10 is equal to 0. See, we are not changing the equation. This equation and this equation is very similar. It is not changing because we need x square minus 5x. Let's see, minus 5x is there also. 5 minus 2, that means 3. Minus 3x. Exactly the equation above. So now we will multiply this one. Minus 5x. This will be minus 5x. Minus plus, again 2x. Plus 2x. Minus 10. This is the simple method. We have just split it. The middle term, that is dx. Now we can take common. The common one can be taken, that is x square and minus 5x. We can take common, that is x is common. So therefore we will take x as a common. Then we will get x is common. Therefore here will be the x again. Minus is there, so minus. The x is already taken as a common, so here 5, the number will be there. Now plus, what will be common as a common? 2 and 10, we know that the 2 is a product of 10. Product of 10. Then we can take 2 as a common because x is not there in x. Therefore 2 common, we have taken 2 as a common, so therefore here will be the x. We need minus here, so it will be minus, plus minus, we will get the minus again. So 10, here we need to find out the 10, so 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So let's see x minus 5 and the x minus 5. After taking the common, we will find the similar number x minus 5 and the x minus 5. So if x minus 5 and x minus 5 is common in the two terms, now we can take common x minus 5 as a common. Then here will be the x and here will be the plus 2. So is equal to 0. So x minus 5 whole into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, simple. Now if we take x minus 5 in the left hand side, then we will get is equal to 0. Or if we take x plus 2 in the left hand side, then again the right hand side will be the 0. So from here x means x is equal to minus 5 is there, so it will convert it to plus 5. Again x is there, so 2, the plus 2 is there, so here it will be minus. Now we can find that, you can see that the value of x, there are two numbers 5 and the minus 2 as a root of x. So therefore x, the value of x is equal to 5 or minus 2. That means the 5 and minus 2 is the root of this equation. 5 and minus 2 is the root of the equation. The root of given equation is or are 5 and minus 2. And this is the answer. Very simple method. We can easily find out the root by factorization process. Sum of equation can be done by this process, but for some other quadratic equation there are certain rule and certain formula. We will apply further in the further video. We will apply other solution and method. And now this is the answer, and we are here in the conclusion. So this type of video will be uploaded further. So please subscribe my channel and click the notification button so that you can easily get the notification of the uploading video. Thank you very much.